Hello. So today I'm working on a 2021 Kia Telluride, and this is my brother-in-law's, and he's having a noise concern at cold startup. I already know what it is, but I'm gonna show you guys what it is. Go ahead, start it. It only happens at first cold startup. Throughout the rest of the day, because it has that stupid auto start stop feature, the noise doesn't happen. I guarantee the gear that kicks over the flywheel is not retracting, making that noise. So I'm gonna replace the starter. Okay, go ahead, shut it off. Yeah, this has that stupid auto start stop feature. So trying to make this video fast, the starter doesn't look too bad to do. As you guys know, I work at Toyota. I'm here in California helping out my family. There's two 10s, looks like a cover for the starter. And this has that stupid auto start stop feature. You take off this skid plate that's here. It's a bunch of 10s. Looks like you take off this 10, these two 10s, and then it looks like, I could be wrong, a 17 here and right here. It's perfectly in the way. This one and this one. So I'm gonna start by taking off the 10s. Actually, you start by disconnecting the negative on the battery, the negative or the positive, or both. Start by taking these off. So next step, you take off this cover. Looks like a heat shield of some kind. There's a nut in the back here. It's a 10, and there's two nuts, two bolts that go here, and the starter is accessible. So these two starter bolts from factory were very tight to get off, kind of a tight space. So I didn't remove these coolant hoses or anything. Just remove this bracket, this 10 bracket here. Like I said, there's a bolt here. It's really hard to see. This one, I'm tapping with my finger. It's a 14 mil nut. And then the one my socket's on up there. I'm using a wobbly 14 socket, short socket. Can you guys see it? This one up here. And a small 1/4 inch ratchet. It's really tight. It's really tight to get the bolt off too. Okay, so starter is out now. I can shine my other light, but it's too bright. I had to backtrack a little bit. There's a harness. There's a bracket for the harness. You undo. There's a 10 nut and a 10 bolt on top, because I couldn't get the top bolt out. Unbolt the starter. It's this bolt right here, and I couldn't get anything in there. I used a 14 wobbly again. Then I went to 14 short wobbly ratcheting wrench to get the top bolt out. But I couldn't fit my wrench in there because this was in the way. I unbolted it just loose from the bracket. There's two bolts. One nut here and bolt on one bolt here. Both 10s. So I have some wiggle room. Now I have way more room. The starter came out. I don't think the gear was retracting. You heard the grind when it started? It would pop out, but I have a trouble retracting. That's what that noise was, I believe. So a couple hours went by, had to order the part from AutoZone, had to order the starter from AutoZone. Here is the new starter. In hindsight, 2 bolts covering it should go on here. And there's 1 bolt that goes in the back. So it should go on just like that. 2 bolts, 1 nut in the back. The connector for a starter solenoid is here. You can use the old nut and washer, which is a 12 nut, or the new one that came with it, doesn't matter. Bolt that 12 on, plug it in after you put the 14s on. Should be pretty simple. Yeah, go ahead. Yep. Brand new starter sound. There we go. That was good. Yeah, you can shut it off. Sweet.
That's like the first startup sound?
Yeah. It's no more grinding. So in hindsight, after I'm done doing the starter, obviously disconnect the battery first. You're gonna have to take off the skid plates. I also did an oil change, so I didn't mention that before. Take off this. It's a bunch of 10s. Take off this, and then just do the steps I said. And it's not that hard. The part from AutoZone is about $320. I think the starter at Kia is about $600. And then that's not even including labor, just the part alone. This is the stupid auto start stop stuff. So that puts more wear and tear on your starter, which is a really annoying feature to me, but whatever. Stick around. I'm gonna make a video about changing spark plugs on this. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.